The Eagle Owl and the Crow.
Listen.
A long time ago, the Khan of the birds passed away. All the birds gathered in the forest. They needed to decide who would be the new Khan. Some said, "Let it be the swan." Others said, "Let it be the crane." Then the crane said,
"Let the eagle owl be the Khan. The eagle owl has big eyes that shine at night. The eagle owl is a true Khan."
But the crow said,
"No, the eagle owl has yellow eyes. Its feathers aren't beautiful, and its voice is terrible. The eagle owl should not be Khan."
The birds listened to the crow. The eagle owl did not become Khan. Since then, the eagle owl and the crow have been enemies. During the day, the crow caws and doesn't let the eagle owl rest. And at night, the eagle owl hoots and doesn't let the crow sleep.
Repeat.
A long time ago, the Khan of the birds passed away. All the birds gathered in the forest. They needed to decide who would be the new Khan. Some said, "Let it be the swan." Others said, "Let it be the crane." Then the crane said,
"Let the eagle owl be the Khan. The eagle owl has big eyes that shine at night. The eagle owl is a true Khan."
But the crow said,
"No, the eagle owl has yellow eyes. Its feathers aren't beautiful, and its voice is terrible. The eagle owl should not be Khan."
The birds listened to the crow. The eagle owl did not become Khan. Since then, the eagle owl and the crow have been enemies. During the day, the crow caws and doesn't let the eagle owl rest. And at night, the eagle owl hoots and doesn't let the crow sleep.
Now it's your turn.